At the Knox County Parks and Recreation Department, we strive to build fun. We want to create a great community by providing excellent parks, programs, and places for folks to enjoy life and improve health. Our motto, to live, laugh, and play. The Knox County Parks and Recreation Department oversees roughly 2,700 acres of parkland, including more than 40 parks, some 25 miles of greenways and unpaved bike trails, dozens and dozens of sports fields, and a number of splash pads, golf courses, beaches, and dog parks. One of our premier parks is New Harvest, a 43-acre park at 4775 New Harvest Lane, right near Knoxville Center. Let's take a look. New Harvest Park is bordered by a hardwood ridge on the north and a wetland pond on the south. It features a playground for the children to enjoy, a pavilion for family and friends to host picnics and birthday parties, and a community building for special events. Visitors can also take a short stroll around the scenic walking loops or hit the splash pads to cool off. In addition, the park hosts a farmer's market every Thursday that runs from April through mid-November. The market features an assortment of locally grown produce, including fruits, vegetables, and much more. The park also hosts a number of bigger events throughout the year, including the popular Blueberry Festival. Additionally, New Harvest Park is home to our second Saturday concert series, which features local bands who play under the pavilion throughout the summer months. New Harvest Park is open from dawn to dusk. For more information, contact the Parks and Recreation Department at 865-215-6600.